The road to the final on 3rd of September 2023 begins right here for these two teams. Distinguished personalities for the handshake. Govinda Basmatari, the Honorable CEM of the Bodoland Territorial Region. Dao Baisai Boro, the Honorable EM, Department of Sports and Youth. Like they did in the previous year. So a very incautious army must be, and also brave and bold. But Giants, this is the ODISHA FC lineup. There is no need to change the midfield dynamic pivot of Adwin and Samir. This is how Indian Army has shaped up. Ramesh Anthony going with a 4-2-3-1 situation. Trying to move forward with an early ball in. And Rakesh Oram cutting out the danger. Making players available on the right. Here comes Indian Army. Low ball in, could well be the first scoring opportunity. A patient build-up from Odisha. That's a very cheap giveaway. Win that one high towards the opposition's area. And a rising left footer. Testing the Odisha goalkeeper Niraj Kumar. Trying to make something happen from the left. Attempted cross is blocked. He will get another bite on the cherry. Takes it on to his favourite right foot. In comes the cross and punched away. Doesn't clear too well, but hacked away from the edge of the area.
Not letting them play from the back. And they're ready for the physical challenge, for the physical battle as we see.
Nice 1-2. Towards the left corner of the penalty area. Goes on the outside, clips it. In the centre, the keeper got in the way. And Deepak, meanwhile, spending more time on the ball for Indian Army. In comes the shot, spilled by the keeper. And managing to grab hold of it in the second attempt. And look at that.
Absolutely so, and this is a game for the fans.
Pinto comes inside, swings one in. Couldn't get to the header in place. We saw the gap, beautiful through ball from Litton. Chance here for just against the run of play. And a new star here at the Sai Stadium in Kokrachhar. You do not need to look up to see a shooting star when Litton Sil is on the pitch.
Remember, this is not a knockout tournament. It is a group stage. So every single goal will be counted.
So Prateek Mondal brings the first half to a close as things stands at half-time. It's Odisha FC 0, Indian Army 1. Especially in the last 15 minutes of the first half. Is in the clear. Oh, clever leave, chance of Deepak to make it 2-0. Just too wide of the post. Young team members. Just a bit of advice from the technical area for team who've struggled to maintain the possession. We'll come back to that. A couple of players went up for that header. And the number 34, Samir, is not happy. Back to Adwin, finding the gap. Afoba takes on his man. Afoba drives towards the byline. In some quarters of feeling, it can't be ignored that though Indian football has witnessed a steady stream of good players from the northeast, most of them have failed to attain the next level despite early promises. We saw that happen with JJ, but meanwhile, a red card for Litton Sil. This could be the turning point of this game. High boots. He's not going to allow any kind of back challenge under his watch. He made that clear from the very first minute. And not managing to get a touch on that. Opting to go behind. And that's easy for the defender. Falls just on the edge of the area. And a quick snapshot. Now Odisha looking to turn over possession via Afoba. Looking to breach the Army defence. Flag stays down. Cuts onto his right foot. Runs into a melee in the end. Luckily the rebound falls kindly for Lapung. Sets up The number 7 into a crossing position, and the ball was dipping, and a slight touch in the way took the sting out of it and making it comfortable for the goalkeeper to pluck it down. Hovering into the penalty area, is hung up at the far post, knocked back into the center, shot on the turn towards the keeper who spills it. Chance from the right once more. And the cross takes another deflection. Dying minutes. And that's the full-time whistle from Pratik Mondal. And a wonderful victory for Indian Army. And in the Durand Cup, we've had results in the past. At full time, it's Odisha FC 0, Indian Army 1.